If Arweave goes at this pace, each coin will be $500. To break down the news to you, hyper parallel computer, actor oriented, that will reach the Arweave coin to $500 a coin. You don't want to miss this video. Okay, so if the people who don't know what is Arweave, let's go into that. Okay, so what is Arweave? In short, Arweave is the first protocol that enables permanent data storage. Its design allows anyone to preserve data forever with just a single one-time fee. Okay, so I got it right. We just pay one-time fee and we store our data forever. That's Arweave in short. Okay, so right now Arweave created this thing where it's not launched yet, hyper parallel computer. Okay, it's a layer. Okay, so they are building their own ecosystem. If I didn't get it, okay, Arweave is a different thing, and with this they've created this hyper parallel computer where it be a layer. Okay, so what is AO? The AO computer is an actor oriented machine. Okay, so see the words that I used in this thing only. It's an actor oriented machine. Okay, so it's a single system that emerges from the network of nodes that adheres to its core data protocol running on the Arweave network. Okay, so this AO is emerged from Arweave. Okay, so from the network that Arweave has created, that's the thing where AO, actor oriented machine, the layer has emerged from there. Okay, from the Arweave network, from the core data protocol running on the Arweave network. Okay, AO is a different layer like Ethereum, Cosmos, then Solana. It's a different layer like that. So I got the point, right? How it makes it different from other layer ones. Okay, so let me read this line. Okay, so the AO computer is a single unified computing environment. Okay, so a single system image. Okay, so you all got it right. AO, actor oriented, it's a single machine which can do many things parallel, parallel process. Okay, so in short, let me explain if you still didn't understand. In the same way that websites operate on independent servers but are joined into a cohesive unified experience via hyperlink. Okay, so I got it. It's like how a website operates on a single server. Example like hyperlink. Okay, so this is a website, and this all you can see this blue thing, right? It's hyperlink. Okay, so that's how the actor oriented machine works. Okay, so how is it different from other? Unlike existing decentralized compute system, AO is capable of supporting the operational of computational without protocol enforced limitation on the size and form. Okay, so with this word only, there's a lot that can come out, right? That it's a decentralized compute system without protocol enforcing limitation on the size and form. As you all know that if you'll have to mine Ethereum, you have to have certain rules, right? Arweave network. You just need a computer, and then with that only you'll be able to support the Arweave network. Okay, so while also maintaining the verifiability and thus trust minimization of the network itself. Okay, further, AO distributed and modular architecture allows existing smart contract platform to easily plug in to the network, acting as a single process which can send and receive messages from any other process. Okay, so I got it right. AO being a modular architecture, so if say suppose any other smart contract wants to connect to it, they can easily plug in because of its modular architecture. Okay, this is the main, acting as a single process which can send and receive message from any other process. Okay, so I got it right. What is AO in short? They have released it on 28th February of this year, 28th February 2024. Okay, so that's the time they've launched this. The hyper parallel computer launches right now. Okay, so that's the time they've launched. Get involved with AO's testnet. Okay, on February 27, 2024, testnet was launched for developers and early adopters to explore the hyper parallel computer. Okay, so and here it's on 27th it was released. In short, it was released on 27th, the blogs, everything, but on their account it was released on 28th February. Okay, the AO testnet. Okay, so I was actually seeing when they're going to release their mainnet. The testnet was just launched, and if you read, the testnet is set up to allow users to interact with the AO computer without fees to test and build towards the mainnet. Okay, so they have not released their mainnet dates. Okay, if you actually see what this AO this actor oriented machine is doing, it did around 66 million the overviews of as of 14th May. Okay, so if you ask me when the testnet was done, the AO testnet has been released nearly 2 months. Okay, so the AO testnet is released 2 months and it did 66 million as of now as an overview. Okay, let me see from a 1 year duration. Okay, so I was just seeing the 1 year duration, I was shocked. Okay, so if you actually see, that Arweave was once upon a time at $5. If that time I knew that they were releasing AO actor oriented machine, I would have bought it at that time. But if you see from here, from forward, how many X's it gave, right now it's going on a upwards trend. Okay, so if you see Arweave's full data, you can see on a weekly it went 8.1%, on a monthly 94.6%, on a yearly 591% it went up, right? Okay, so now let's talk about the best prices that we need to attack. Okay, so the early the better. Okay, so right now let me zoom into the Arweave price. Buying anywhere between now before the mainnet, right? They launched it 2 months ago, and then they'll do hard testing, and then the mainnet will get launched. Okay, so y'all can buy anywhere now because you know that the coin will reach around $500 a coin, $500 to $200 a coin. You can see guaranteed because they have released this actor oriented where you can plug in different chains and you can start using it as a layer. The best price if you actually see would be around, you can say $29. Okay, but anyway, say Bitsy dumps and it goes around $37, we can start dollar costing average and just start entering into this AR token because we know that the actor oriented mainnet is going to get released. Okay, so that's it for a crypto video. If you like content like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ping the notification bell. Also, you don't miss content like this and you're early to watch. Okay, so peace out, crypto fam.